What is up, guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Today we have another HelloFresh. So this is not the dinner we wanted tonight, but it's the only meat that I had pulled out, so it's Thai coconut curry chicken tonight. Now that we've got all of our ingredients, let's go ahead and start. First thing I'm going to do is get the rice together. Okay, there was something going on with my camera. I had to figure that out. But I've got my 3/4 cup of water, rice, and salt in here. I'm going to go ahead and get that boiling, turn it to low, and cover it. So I've got all of my produce washed here. The cilantro, this cute little pepper, chili pepper, and I meant bell pepper, and lime. So let's go ahead and cut these up. So we're going to core, de-seed, and dice the bell pepper. Okay, now that we got our bell peppers done, about I did a little bit less than an inch size pieces. We're going to zest our lime. Anybody else think of mimosas when they're zesting a lime? Now we are going to quarter it. I think the one thing I love about HelloFresh is that you have to prep all your ingredients before you start, and it makes it so much easier. Alright, now we are going to mince our cilantro. My wife loves cilantro, so this is all hers. And then thinly slice our baby chili. I've rinsed our chicken and patted it off, so now we're going to season it with salt and pepper. We're going to turn our pan on to medium high. Drizzle some oil in. Our pan is heated. We're going to go ahead and add in our bell peppers and a pinch of salt. So we're going to let these cook for about 5 minutes. So our rice is done. I am going to go ahead and turn off the heat, let it sit there. Our bell peppers are done, so let's go ahead and add our chicken. We'll let this cook for about 5 minutes. Now that our chicken is just about done, we're going to go ahead and stir in half of this curry powder. Cook it for about a minute. That smells so good. I've already shook my coconut milk, so I'm going to stir in 2/3 of a cup. Chili sauce, stock concentrate, juice from half of the lime, a teaspoon of sugar. So it said bring it to a simmer. It's already at a simmer. Bring it to medium-low and wait till it's thickened. While that is cooking, let's go ahead and do our rice. Lime zest. Half of the cilantro. Season with salt and pepper. Okay, so our sauce has thickened, so let's go ahead and make plates. Oh, one thing I did off camera is I added a tablespoon of butter to the rice. I'm going to top mine with some chili. Top hers with cilantro. And I'm going to put a squeeze of lime in mine. So this is with cilantro. No cilantro, lime, and chili flakes on top. Let's see how it tastes. Okay guys, so we have our yummy smelling curry here. Let's try it. It smells really good. It's decent. Neither one of us are a big, like, curry fan. This kind of curry anyway. It's like spicy Indian food. And that little piece of chili just hit the back of my throat so hard. flavor is good though. I can't say it's not. God, I got some water here. I can do spicy until it comes to spicy. If you haven't seen the one chip challenge reaction results, I mean, go check that one out. Cause good God, no one could do that shit. And then me and my wife was just watching a video the other day of a guy eating, what, 25 of those Packy spicy chips. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my food, enjoy this, talk with my wife, and if you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, and let me know if you have HelloFresh and if you had this out of your box and if you liked it or not. And of course, as always, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.